Hi everyone, and welcome again to your channel Simple and Easy English. Today we are going to learn the names of different fruits in English.
Apple, apples.
Apple, apples.
Apricot, apricots.
Apricot, apricots.
Avocado, avocados.
Avocado, avocados.
Banana, bananas.
Banana, bananas.
Blackcurrant, blackcurrants.
Blackcurrant, blackcurrants.
Blackberry, blackberries.
Blackberry, blackberries.
Blueberry, blueberries.
Blueberry, blueberries.
Cherry, cherries.
Cherry, cherries.
Coconut, coconuts.
Coconut, coconuts.
Fig, figs.
Fig, figs.
Grape, grapes.
Grape, grapes.
Kiwi fruit, kiwi fruit, or kiwi fruits.
Kiwi fruit, kiwi fruits.
Lemon, lemons.
Lemon, lemons.
Lime, limes.
Lime, limes.
Lychee, lychees.
Lychee, lychees.
Mango, mangoes.
Mango, mangoes.
Nectarine, nectarines.
Nectarine, nectarines.
Orange, oranges.
Orange, oranges.
Papaya, papayas.
Papaya, papayas.
Passion fruit, passion fruit, or passion fruits.
Passion fruit, passion fruits.
Peach, peaches.
Peach, peaches.
Pear, pears.
Pear, pears.
Pineapple, pineapples.
Pineapple, pineapples.
Plum, plums.
Plum, plums.
Quince, quinces.
Quince, quinces.
Raspberry, raspberries.
raspberries,
strawberry, strawberries,
strawberry, strawberries,
watermelon, watermelons,
water lemon, water lemons. At last, what is your favorite fruit? Let us know in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you like this video, click the subscription button below, and goodbye.